Ever wondered what it takes to achieve online success? The very first step is visionary clarity. It starts with a spark, an idea, a dream. But to turn that dream into reality, you need to define it. Your goals, your passions, your path, all need to be crystal clear. Picture yourself on a journey in the vast digital landscape. There are countless paths, endless possibilities. But without a clear vision, it's all too easy to get lost. That's why your vision is so crucial. It acts as your compass, guiding you towards your goals, keeping you on track. It fuels your passion and inspires action. And it's not static. Your vision evolves, grows, and matures with you. It's your North Star, your guiding light in the uncharted territories of the digital world. So take the time to define it, to understand it, to embrace it. Remember, a crystal clear vision is your compass in the vast digital landscape. Once you have a clear vision, the next step is strategic planning. Imagine setting out on a journey with no roadmap, no GPS, just wandering aimlessly. That's what it's like trying to achieve success online without a plan. Strategic planning is your GPS in the digital world. It's the process of setting achievable milestones and breaking down those big, ambitious goals into smaller, actionable steps. You wouldn't climb a mountain in one giant leap, would you? No, you'd take it one step at a time, resting and recalibrating as needed. That's strategic planning. It's not just about knowing where you're going, but understanding how you're going to get there. It's about setting a pace that's sustainable, yet challenging. It's about anticipating obstacles and devising strategies to overcome them. Because remember, in the world of online success, it's not just about where you're going, it's about how you get there. A well-thought-out plan is the foundation of online triumph. With a clear vision and a strategic plan, the next step is continuous learning. The online world is a dynamic, rapidly changing landscape, constantly evolving with new trends, technologies, and opportunities. To navigate this terrain successfully, it's crucial to dedicate time to learning and growth. Stay updated with the latest industry trends. It's a great way to keep your finger on the pulse of your market. This knowledge can help you anticipate changes, spot opportunities, and stay ahead of the competition. But continuous learning goes beyond just keeping up with industry news. It's also about sharpening your skills, refining your craft, and expanding your knowledge base. This could mean learning a new software, honing your marketing skills, or deepening your understanding of your target audience's needs and desires. Never stop learning. Embrace the mindset of a perpetual student, because knowledge is power. Now that you're learning continuously, the next stage is developing resilience and adaptability. In the online world, challenges are as inevitable as sunrise. Whether it's a sudden algorithm change, a negative comment, or a failed campaign, setbacks will come. But here's the secret sauce of online triumph: resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back, to get up after a fall, and to keep going amid adversity. It's about viewing every setback as a setup for a comeback. But resilience alone isn't enough. The digital landscape is ever-changing, and adaptability is your best ally. It's about adjusting your sails when the wind changes direction, about pivoting your strategies when circumstances demand. Remember, obstacles aren't roadblocks, they're stepping stones. They're opportunities to learn, to grow, and to come back stronger. So embrace challenges, adapt to changes, and turn setbacks into comebacks. Success isn't about avoiding failures, it's about embracing them. Finally, the last piece of the puzzle is community building. In the digital realm, we're not solitary explorers. We're part of a vibrant, interconnected web of ideas, experiences, and relationships. It's essential to remember that success isn't solely about individual accomplishments. It's often a collaborative effort, fueled by the support, insights, and engagement of an online community. Building this community isn't just about increasing your follower count, it's about fostering genuine connections, engaging with like-minded individuals, and creating a space where ideas can be shared, and everyone feels uplifted. Networking is not a one-way street, it's about mutual growth, shared victories, and collective learning. When you nurture this sense of community, you not only build bridges but also create a powerful catalyst for success. A strong network can open doors to opportunities you might not have envisioned, offering a springboard to heights you've only dreamed of reaching. A strong network can be a catalyst for your success.